Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
I wish I could make a copy of Saturday's weather that we had because it was absolutely gorgeous for most of us. Some places got into the lower 70s on Saturday. Unfortunately, back to reality, and winter is back, as we'll talk about here in just a minute. Right now, here's what you need to know for this upcoming week weather-wise. We will be dealing with just a little bit of scattered precipitation tonight and then Tuesday night. Really won't amount to much, but there will be some flakes or raindrops flying through the air. Then we'll see warmer temperatures for the middle portion of the week. It won't last as winter will come back, possibly in a big way, with some snow chances returning for this upcoming weekend, which we'll touch on here in just a second. Here's a look at the satellite and radar picture. Not too bad right now. We do have a weak disturbance sliding through. A lot of what you're seeing here is not reaching the ground, but some of this up across the northwest did reach the ground. In fact, I'll take you up to Burke County here. This is the DOT camera in Columbus, and you can see just a quick dusting of snow out there. But the Highway 2 there is dry still, but just enough snow to coat the ground here. We'll move further to the east to the Magic City. You can see nothing there, nice and calm, just some overcast conditions in the Magic City where you are at 32 degrees, right at the freezing mark, with those east-southeast winds at 6 miles an hour, giving you a very tolerable wind chill of 26 degrees. Here's a look at temperatures elsewhere across the region. 15 right now in Grand Forks. We'll zoom it in for a closer look at your neighborhood. You can see there 44 to the southwest in Hettinger, but 27 in Tuttle. They still have quite a snowpack. The further east you get from Bismarck, that's really acting to hold temperatures down. But as we move further to the north, you can see Williston 35, Crosby up near the international border at 28 degrees. Winds continue to die down as we have gone through the day. Many locations reporting calm, if not light and variable winds, and that will be pretty much the theme as we go through the evening and overnight hours, those winds continuing to slow down there. As we put precision cast into motion, we will have a weak system that will slide by to the south of us. What that will do is probably touch off a few snow showers or so in the southwestern portion of the state, maybe a couple of flurries in Bismarck as well as Dickinson. That will get out of here. Everything behind it looks a lot more impressive than it will be. Probably a lot of what you see here not reaching the ground as well, as a cold front will be sliding through here by Thursday. You'll be able to see that here with the upper level pattern right now. Kind of a zonal flow with that weather moving from west to east, but we will get a return flow here, winds out of the southwest, especially on Wednesday here, which will get our temperatures up into the 50s, but then we'll have another cold front slide through and we'll see that return flow back out of the northwest, ushering in much colder temperatures. If you're wondering about snowfall so far this year, we're up to 48.6 inches, just slightly above where we should be for this time of the year and still slightly above where we were this time last year. Forecast tonight in the Bismarck area is a pretty quiet one, 24 degrees, seasonable temperatures, but still can't rule out a couple of flurries, especially toward dawn. No such flurries in the Minot area. Seasonable night, you'll dip to 21 degrees out there with light and variable winds. Here's a look at those lows tonight. Not too bad. Most places bottoming out where we should be for this time of the year. 3-day forecast for Dickinson, average high of 38. We'll be above it for the next 3 days, but it will be breezy. But lots of sunshine. Same thing in the Williston area. Sunny Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but you can see warm Wednesday and then we start to cool off. Here's your extended forecast for Bismarck, average high of 37. A pretty nice week, but looming on the horizon is that chance for snow this weekend. It looks like Saturday might be the best day for that snow, but again, as you look at the Minot 7-day forecast, which could also see the snow this weekend, too early to pinpoint exactly where it's going to snow, how much it could snow, just that the chance is there for some snow.
Thank you much.
Yep.
Keep it here. Coming up next in sports, the March Madness continues as the Class B boys from around the state battle it out for a regional title. We're going to have highlights next.